friendly handshake. Correct? Grab mo yung slipper niya. Yan. Tapos give it a good shake. Yan. Handshake kayo. Alright. Is she nice? Yes. Alright. Actually, si Madison, she would like to invite you to become a member of the Sea Lion Marine Patrol. Kagaya namin. Do you want to be a trainer just like us? Gusto mo? Yes? Okay, but there are some rules para maging trainer ka katulad namin. Sabi ni Madison, you can be one of us if you do this. Can you do that? Ayaw mo yan? Hindi? Ito na. Ayaw mo bang kumain ng hilaw na isda? Raw fish, katulad nga? How about you jump in the water, hold mo yung breath kahit 5 minutes lang sa ilalim. Kaya mo? Ayaw mo? Hindi ka malulunod? Hindi? Oh, that's easy for Madison, right, Madison? Oh, I'm running out of ideas here. Do you have any idea? Okay, sabi ni Madison, maybe this, you can do this. Ayaw mo yan? Ayaw mo dumila? Okay, sabay kayong dalawa ha, tapos titingin ko sa camera. Ready? Tabi kang konti. Sabay kayo. 1, 2, 3! Alright, congratulations, Kuya. Isa ka ng member ng Sea Lion Marine Patrol.